Back in our inverted triangle pose, we're going to take our flying leg up to the wall. Again, have the intention of tapping your toe to the wall. This time we're going to add a sequence. So we're going to bend the knee, taking the heel to the opposite butt cheek, and then back around to the opposite end of the wall and up. Heel to butt, extend the leg, make a nice big circle, and right back to where you started. The purpose of this exercise is to get an extra stretch in the hip, as well as stretching and lengthening the quads by taking your heel to your butt. If you are on the floor in your splits, you want to walk your foot further away from the wall to get more of an oversplit. All right, wall play, let's do this. You're going to take your flying leg up to the wall. If you're not able to take it high, don't worry, step back and get it on there. Again, if you have splits close to the floor, you're going to walk your standing leg back, so you'll be more of in an oversplit for this one. Walk your flying leg into your midline, so in the middle of your chest, and lean forward. You can place your hands against the wall. After holding for a few seconds, if this is comfortable, or as comfortable as a split can be, rather, then you'll give yourself a few pumps forward. So driving the hip forward, small bounces here, being really mindful of the knee on the standing leg. If this hurts, do not do it. Now we're going to turn out. Same deal here, really, really light pulses. In this one especially, you may feel your knee. Again, if you do, stop. Do not do it. Pay attention to your body. Your body will tell you what it wants. Hands to the floor, walk them forward while you pivot the standing foot forward and do the same pulses. So now you're in a back split. Make sure you're pointing the toe behind you and you're not flexed on the wall. You're going to walk your hands forward, shifting your weight and using your glutes to keep that leg up to the ceiling on your own. Hold for a few seconds and release. Whew.